Welcome to the first video in the series of lectures of histology from Best Medicine. This is going to be a series of medical school histology that generally covers everything that you need to know for your medical school career, and not specifically for any specific licensing examination. So we'll be setting the contents to cover up everything that you might be asked in the USMLEs or the UKMLE or the PLAB and other licensing examinations histology-wise. Another thing I want to mention here is that time obviously is always of the essence when you're a medical student. You're always looking to speed up the process and speed up the learning so that you can do the repetition quickly. So I recommend you guys, if you want to speed up the videos, then don't speed them up too much. Like don't go to 2x all the way to 2x. Like that's too much and you might not be able to hear clearly or retain all the information. So I recommend that if you do want to speed up, use either 1.2, 5x or 1.5x. I recommend this. This would work perfectly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll be following the Junqueira's Basic Histology book, and yeah, good luck to you guys. Hope you guys will be staying with us until the end of the series, and share the videos with your friends, and subscribe to our channel if you like them. Thank you very much, and see you guys in the first lecture video.